Yan guys, makain tayo ng healthy food. Ayan, salad, tomato, cucumber, and white onion. Ayan, tapos nilagyan ko siya ng mangga. Sarap to guys. This is my lunch. Masarap to guys, gawin nyo. Tikman nyo, try nyo pipino at saka mangga, kamatis, sibuyas. Tapos lagyan mo ng lemon. Yan ang masarap. Then asin. Yan. Let's eat. Sarap. Sarap guys. Thank you for watching. Happy lunch day.